It's beautiful out here, like we're right on the water.
I had a really fun time today.
We are so excited to be showcasing our newest vans here at the show this year.
I am here representing Wrap-On USA and OK 4-Wheel Drive.
I'm with Mantis Collapsible Golf Carts.
Joe Stelmack, I'm here from Real Truck.
From Banter Customs.
From Myers RV of Joppa.
I'm from Chesapeake RV. We're a family-owned dealership.
We've got a great mix, about 15 RVs all together.
The show itself is quite well run. It's nice to have Ocean City as your backdrop.
Press a button, the bed moves down into its sleeping position. You don't need to make up the bed every day.
We're getting a good mix of people. We've got a lot of first-timers all the way to the retirees. It's nice to be able to reconnect with a lot of our local clientele and some of our more distant clientele as well.
We're very proud that we had the opportunity to be here.
A lot of events, including skateboarding today, BMX biking.
The facility, the venue, the vibe, a great place to be.
We can't say enough. We love coming here, and we can't wait to see what happens in the future.